11,
How many beach balls can you see?
5, 17.
Today, we're going to learn the numbers from 1 to 20 and practice asking and answering questions using them. Let's take a look at the numbers from 1 to 20 first. What's this number?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Now, let's use the numbers in questions and answers. Look at this picture. Where is the girl?
She's on the beach.
Look at the things we use on the beach. What's this?
It's a beach ball.
Count the beach balls on the screen. How many beach balls can you see?
I can see 15 beach balls.
What are these?
They are sunglasses.
Count the sunglasses on the screen. How many sunglasses can you see?
I can see 6 sunglasses.
What's this?
It's a swimsuit.
How many swimsuits can you see?
I can see 11 swimsuits.
What's this?
It's a seashell.
How many seashells can you see?
I can see 8 seashells.
What's this?
It's a beach umbrella.
How many beach umbrellas can you see?
I can see 3 beach umbrellas.
What's this?
It's a hat.
How many hats can you see?
I can see 13 hats.
What's this?
It's a bucket.
How many buckets can you see?
I can see 20 buckets.
Now, let's practice the numbers again. Look at the screen and say the number out loud. Are you ready? Let's go.
2, 18, 3, 6, 20, 7, 11, 19, 8, 14, 9, 1, 12, 5, 17, 13, 4, 16, 10.
Great job. Now, can you count from 1 to 20? Was it easy to answer the questions? Keep practicing. It gets easier every time. See you next time.